Welcome back, traders. Today we are gonna dive into the one of the most debated topic in the trading community, and it's the best time frame for trading. So today we're gonna show you step by step how you're gonna be trading on 4 hours using the daily time frame, 1 hour and 50 minutes. So I always recommend to enter on your trade either on 30 minutes or either 1 hour, but today we're gonna use the 50-minute as well. So, all right, so but welcome back, guys. Hopefully this video is gonna show you and teach you what you're looking for, but this is what we're gonna be doing, guys. I'm gonna be showing you what USD JPY is gonna do. I'm gonna show you exactly what is gonna happen on that pair. Another pair that I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna teach you what gold is doing and why it's selling. So if you have the multiple time frame, you will understand why the gold is doing what it's doing. All right. Another pair that I'm gonna show you today, guys, is going to be Euro USD. Boom! It's another beautiful pair that is making me money this week. Another pair that is making me money is GBP JPY. So I'm gonna teach you all the secret behind scene, guys. But welcome back. Like I said, today is that's what we're gonna be diving into the one of the most debated topic in the trading community, and it's the best time frame for trading. So hold on tight, guys. Even if you follow one or all pairs that I'm gonna be giving you today, this is gonna blow your mind because it's a lot to learn. So I'm gonna show you the truth about the time frame. I'm gonna show you why it's important to short term is always the best, and I'm just gonna show you everything. All right, guys, so the very first pair that I'm going to teach you today, like I said, is going to be GBP JPY. Boom! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look, pay close attention. I'm going to break it down once, and then you will follow me from there, all right? So this is how we use the multiple time frames. So let me kind of like teach you so you won't ever get confused. All right, so here we go. Actually, let me look at very opportunity. Right here, this is good. All right, so perfect. This is a perfect location. This is what we're gonna do first. First thing first is always pay attention what your dashboard is telling you. Look at here. 4 hours and daily time frame is contradicting. When you see the colors changing, that means the lower time frame is doing currently a pullback transition. So if you like to trade on, like I said, on 50 minutes, then you will be selling on that pair. But I'm gonna show you that. So very first thing that you need to pay attention is always look at your dashboard. Dashboard will give you the answer or whatever you're looking for on the trade. So the daily is showing us that we're going up, and the 4 hours is telling us we are going selling. So what is the multiple time frame with the TW sniper entry? Here's the TW sniper entry. This is it. We tell you Tim Irving sell when it's selling, TWE buy. So you will be getting the stairs that is gonna tell you the original trend here is only going in one direction, and that is selling. You're gonna get the stairs on the opposite side when the market is going in a buy position, and boom, that's it, guys. That's it. Let's keep it simple and sweet. So now let me show you the real data, because remember we're gonna be looking into the 4 hours daily time frame, 50 minute, 1 hour, and so forth. Right? So the next thing that you're gonna look here on the multiple time frame, guys, is we're gonna go to reality, real data, real talk. So like I said, let me go ahead and make a circle or a box inside of the 4 hours and daily time frame, because that's the very first thing that you spotted when you open your chart. Always pay attention to open your chart on 4 hours. It's very important to open on 4 hours. All right, so what is the multiple time frame doing with the TW sniper entry? Here's the multiple time frame. Here's the TW sniper entry. Remember what I said? You will be getting green stairs telling you the market here is only going in one direction. This is GBP JPY. If you would have had the indicator, look at what happened. Boom, market took over and went over. Where did the market stop? Stop in the previous multiple time frame once, and then from there we got another Tim Irving multiple time frame sell position, sell indicator, letting us know the market right now is doing a what? Look at here. Look at what the dashboard gave you before we look into the real data. I tell you the market here is selling. How far is this sell gonna go? That's the question of the year. So in my opinion, market will come back and retest this previous multiple time frame. Same thing when it went back up. Look at here. It went back. Boom. It retested the previous multiple time frame. It dropped. So how far it's gonna drop? It's still gonna drop to this previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 38.2 Fibonacci level, and from there, remember, the buyers are in charge. From there, we will continue in a buy position. So in my opinion, it's gonna retest this previous multiple time frame. It does do a small pullback, and boom, market will continue on that buy position. Guys, I want to give you everyone a friendly reminder, guys. I will be taking 2 weeks vacation. This is the last 2 weeks of the year, so I will be traveling to Central America. I just want to go and learn the culture and so forth. But this is it, guys. There will be no video for me this coming week and the following one. Maybe the following one I will come back and do one for you guys. Why not? But at least you will not get this coming week. All right. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the next pair of the week, guys. Guys, if you are finding value so far, make sure you hit that bell notification, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want me to teach you guys how to read the stuff, there's a link in the description of this video. Join us. It's only $9.99. You will not regret it, right? So the next pair that I'm going to give you today, guys, is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Look at this. Look. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention, guys? What is it? It's the dashboard. That is correct. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard telling us here? It looks like there is a war between the daily time frame and the 4 hour. So the daily time frame is letting me know, hey, Irvin, we are selling, but the 4 hours is telling me, hey, we're going bullish, we're going up. So now we're gonna do it with you. We're gonna review it because we're doing this live. I want you to learn this. I want you to master this business, guys, because the money is on the larger time frame. So I want you to, get the truth out of it, because it's very important, guys. It's very, it's important for every trader to get a very unique information. So that's what I'm here for. So now that we are gonna look into the reality, let's go and do it together, because I want you to learn. All right, so remember, step number 1 was your dashboard. Step number 2 that we need to pay attention here, it is your multiple time frame going with the TW sniper enter. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So in here is telling me, Irvin, we are all selling. But remember, the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes is all going in the opposite direction. So now you will understand why is the multiple time frame telling us here that we are in a buy position. So that buy position is true. It's going, this is a pullback. So pullback is valid. How far is this pullback gonna go? In my opinion, it already retested the area that I wanted it. But on Sunday when it opened, the market may come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci one more time. And then remember, the sellers here are the one who are in charge. And boom, market will drop to this previous multiple time frame, do a small pullback. By then the week is over, guys. But so far, this is what I'm seeing. Euro USD, it is selling, guys. This is the good opportunity, in my opinion, if I had to re-enter on the market as a sell, because here the market is selling. Unless there is some news event that is gonna come up, guys, always double check the news, because everything is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released every single day. All right. Another pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, is going to be USDJPY. Look. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Can someone answer that, guys? Someone comment in the description of this video and tell me, Irvin, this is the first thing that I need to do. What is it? Are you supposed to be looking into the multiple time frame? Are you supposed to be going into the 50-minute? Are you supposed to be going into the 5-minute? What are you supposed to be doing here, guys? What is it? Perfect. Someone said that we are here looking into the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. There's a lot of, guys, this week is gonna be crazy. Be careful with your account, because the market here is not cooperating. But I have to make videos so you can understand. So the daily time frame is going up. The 4 hours all the way to the 1 minute is coming down. So there is a war on the time frame. So they all contradicting. So that's what this title is named, guys, the best time frame for trading. So we are looking into the best time frame, to be honest. Now that we know, we're gonna go move on to the reality, real stuff, real data. Look at here. This is you guys. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? Boom, it's saying that we are in a war. So multiple time frame is telling Irving we're not buy position. What is TW sniper entry doing? Boom, and I buy. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Look at where did the trend go, guys? The trend went bullish. Let me make it a arrow instead of box. So the market here, boom, took over. Look at what we are seeing here, guys. Look at here. Tell you the indicator come in and said, Irving, we are selling now. So this is considered a pullback. So pullback still valid in my opinion. How far is this pullback gonna go? In my opinion, it can drop between your 50 and your 38 Fibonacci level, right? From there, and the market is gonna do a small retracement. Overall, we here this coming week, I believe that USD JPY guys will be on that pullback. It will take time. It's just gonna go play around, but in my opinion, pullback as a sell position on USD JPY is happening. So be careful. If you don't know how to trade, ask for help, guys. Please do ask for help. If you want me to teach you guys, there's a $9.99 that you can subscribe, join us. Anyway, you're not gonna go rich, neither you're gonna go broke with $10, but at least you had that. All right, let me give you another amazing pair that I think you should be trading, because I'm making money on gold, guys. The next pair I'm gonna give you guys, it is gold, bro. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard. For all those new, let's say all of you guys are new in this business. Let's forget about what everything you have learned. Look at this. Look, just looking at the dashboard. Just looking at the dashboard. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame telling you? Look at here. All the way to 1 week, even 1 week. Look at that. Everything is pointing, guys, that we are supposed to be only selling the market. That's it. This is what you want to see on your dashboard all the time. It's either going up or it's going down. Now, let's go to reality, because someone said, Irving, the market is selling. Why is the market selling? Look at it. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to explain you why the market is selling, because this is beautiful selling, guys. If you didn't make money this week on gold, I don't know what are you doing and so forth. But look at here. So last week, the market was in a buy position. So this buy position here is no longer valid, right? So now we're looking for opportunities selling down. Here's your preview multiple time frame. Here's your TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. You tell me, if the stairs are coming down, what is the market doing? Look at here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard gives you the answer. Look at how beautiful this market here, guys. This is a great opportunity if I had to re-enter the market right now at this price that you are seeing it right now. In my opinion, market will come back, retest your 61.8 Fibonacci, do another small retracement. Overall, what is gold doing, guys? Gold, it is selling. That's all I'm seeing, guys. That is all I'm seeing here on the market. So hopefully you guys make money this coming week, guys. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna join? Are you guys gonna stay back, watch? Guys, remember, I will be on vacation for 1 more week, 2 weeks actually, but I can make the last video, that's fine. But if you guys need help, you want to get in touch with me, join. There's a link on the description of this video, my WhatsApp. Send me a message and we're gonna talk, okay? So guys, stay safe. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world. And God bless Ukraine. And guess what? God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, I will see you guys back on the next video. Peace out. I love you guys. Bye-bye.